Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to make customers for pharmacy business automatically. So let's take an example that you are a pharmacy business owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your pharmacy business advertisement, and with those ads, you are getting lots of entries and leads on daily basis. But you are unable to message or reply to those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your leads from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your pharmacy business brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your pharmacy business brochure is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the Facebook page I have created, that is Life Care Medical Store. This is the Facebook lead ad form, medical brochure form, and this is the form actually looks like, where I have asked for the email address, full name and phone number of the customer. This is the medical store brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with my brochure link. So let us just fill the form over here. I'll just give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith, and I'll give his phone number over here. Let's click on next. Submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in Life Care Medical Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our medical store. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Life Care Medical Store. Okay, so a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? And here I can find a Life Care Medical brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here, the Facebook lead ad form, and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ad form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ads form, the same data will be used and your pharmacy business brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly Pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as send pharmacy business brochure to Facebook leads on WhatsApp. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on create. Here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your pharmacy business brochure is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Click on connect and here click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form that we have created to capture the leads. So I'll just take you to the Facebook page and the page name is Life Care Medical Store. So we have to select this particular page and this is the Facebook lead ad form, medical brochure form. So we have to select this also. So let us go back to Pabbly Connect and let us select the page name, that is Life Care Medical Store. And here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured. Just because we have created just single form in this particular page, if you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this particular form, that is the lead generation form, and we have to create a test lead on the name of some customers, because after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So I'll just go to the form and here let us fill this form. Let us give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. I'll give the full name as Shikha Arya and let's give her phone number over here, the WhatsApp number, and click on next, submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, go to Pabbly Connect and here now click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is the name Shikha Arya, her email address and the phone number is captured over here. Now we want to send the brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. For this we have to come to this action window and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay, so let's go to 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find generate API key option. Simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it again. Now the domain is required. Enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we have to simply copy this example from here and paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key here and domain, simply click on save. As I have already created a connection, I'll choose this option, select existing connection and I'll click on save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, then only the template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to 360 dialog account, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign, click on add template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the template category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type. And here you can give the template body text, that is the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Then click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is send brochure final. I'll just open this template. Hello, here I have given 1 number. Thank you for showing your interest in 2 number. So you might be thinking why I've kept these numbers in the curly braces. So these are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. Example, hello, here we want the name of the customer in the message. So the customer name is going to change every time. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your medical business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our medical store. Here you can give the link of your brochure or online flyers. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards. Here again your business name is going to come. So let us select this template, send brochure final in Pabbly Connect. And here let us find the same template, send brochure final. Now we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have already got the customer details from the Facebook lead ad forms. So basically we are going to map these details now. This WhatsApp number and this full name of the customer. So let us just map the customer mobile number here from the Facebook lead ads, and the customer number is this one. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. Here in the template, the first value we need is the name of the customer. So let us map the customer name in body field 1 from Facebook lead ads, and the customer name is Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your medical business name is going to come. So the business name is Life Care Medical Store. So we have to simply give the same name here in Pabbly Connect also in body field 2. Now body field 3, example software. Here in the template, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our medical store. Simply we can type. So I'll just type medical store. Okay, body field 4, here a link is required. So I have uploaded the medical store brochure in my Google Drive. So I'll simply make a right click on this and I'll click on share option. Here we can find get link option. So we have to simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5, here the website address is required in the template also. For more details you can visit our website. You have to give your website address. In place of website address, I'll just go to the Facebook page, and from here I'll simply copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just give the URL over here. Now body field 6, example Pabbly. Here in the template, thank you, regards, here your medical store name is going to come once again. So we have just pasted the medical store name here in body field 2 also, Life Care Medical Store. So we have to give the same name here in body field 6 also. And now let us click on save and send. test request. And here we can see the responses received. So let's go to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can find a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in Lifecare Medical Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our medical store. So here we can see the template which we have created. The same template is used and the message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now here we can see the values of the body fields that we have given. This was the first value, that is the name of the customer, Shikha Arya. Second we have given was Lifecare Medical Store. Third we have given was medical store. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And the last value we have given was the store name once again. So here we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed in this message. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find Lifecare Medical Store brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. Now in this way we can see that a correct message is sent with the correct link on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad form and again we have to create one more entry on the name of some other customer. So I'll just go to the Facebook lead ad form and here I have already given the email address as akash123@gmail.com. I have given the full name of the customer, that is Akash Kapoor, and I have given the phone number over here. Now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Now we have to check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can find a new message. Hello Akash Kapoor, thank you for showing your interest in Lifecare Medical Store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of Akash Kapoor also. Now let us recheck this link. And here also we can find the Lifecare Medical Store brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct message along with the brochure link is going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your pharmacy business brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.